What's up, Ray babe? So y'all, I just woke up like 40 minutes ago, and right now I'm about to get in the shower so I can wash and blow dry my hair because I have a hair appointment. Y'all, got my lashes done yesterday and I don't even know why I decided not to record. Like, that's so weird of me. But yeah, so I'm about to wash my hair, blow dry it, and I'll probably the next clip is probably just gonna be me getting my hair done, to be honest, but I'm sorry. Y'all, I got a good sleep last night, so that's why I'm like, and then it's like my lashes done, so I'm like, but yeah, that's all. That's it. That's all. Okay, y'all, so I got the hair oil. Now I'm looking at these hair gems. I grabbed these ones. Yeah, probably these ones too. Might get this. Alright, y'all, so I got a bunch of shit from the beauty supply. So I was gonna go get my nails done before I go and pick up my hairstylist. I was gonna go get my nails done before that, but I'm not gonna have enough time, so I think I'm gonna just go get my eyebrows done and then go on the way to her, y'all. So that's the update. Okay, y'all, so I just got my eyebrows done. This one always looks good, but I don't know about this one. Actually, probably the next clip would be me getting my hair done. So yeah,
it's the only thing that's on my mind. Other than pussy, you can't broke me. All these poor faces on me, I feel like Chucky. Counting pen on the clothes I need where they at. If I leave the house, I can't say when I'm coming back. Ain't no sentiments, I just walk out and blow some grass. You can smoke what you want, bro, just crash some pack. Look at this bitch all over me. Look at my wrist off.
so I literally just got home. This is my hair. It's so pretty. I'm just about to fix my edges and I'm gonna come back to y'all. Good morning, y'all. It's currently 9:59. I woke up this morning and right now I'm here at the car wash. As you can see, this is like the one that you do it yourself because this is the kind of one that I wanted. So right now what I'm going to do is vacuum out my car because it's clearly like dirty and stuff, and it's not for me. This is how it already was before I started driving, but I just want to clean it out because like I'm the one driving the car now, so I want my car to be clean. So I'm about to vacuum this out and then get back to y'all. I'm back. I got my nails done. They actually look really good, I'm not gonna lie. And then I also went into this dollar store because y'all, I'm just trying to make my car nice, smell good. So I bought this. I can't really smell it, but it says that this thing. Y'all, so this is a random gym vlog. I'm about to go pick up my friend. I'm gonna just update y'all probably when she get in the car. So I said vlog it, but hey guys, and so we just made to the gym. We're finna go get this workout in. Okay. Yeah. So how long do you usually be working out for?
Probably like an hour.